ngayon po, undergoing legal training. We're on our last week bago po kami maging Navy Reserve sa mga klase ko. At nakatapos ko lang din po ng EMT ko. I've been a volunteer since 2014. Naging project director po ako ng MMT and ako po ang nag-spearhead ng project nila na first NMEEC recognition day para ito po yung regalo ng MMT sa mga volunteers nila na parang they were recognized as a support team na ino-augment ang mga organics natin. Tapos po, sa ngayon ang pag-uusapan po natin as a sales director, syempre, disaster preparedness and emergency awareness. We all know how important that is, especially po on a larger scale, na kayo po, mas marami kayo hinahawakan pa rin. Yung mga participants po ba natin are barangay captains, counselors, kagawads. This is for you. Kasi kung tutuusin po, when disaster strikes, kayo po talaga ang first responder ng barangay ninyo. When we were talking about Operation Yakal, ito po yung plano ng MMP na pag tumama yung magnitude 7.2 na earthquake sa Manila, there were several models that we created. They created Model 15, Model 17, and Model 18. Yung Model 17 po, ito yung Marikina Valley Fault Line. Yung 18 is the Manila Trench Fault Line. So they concentrated on the Marikina Fault Line since mas mahaba yung fault na yun.